Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by granting Instagram camera permission and confirming the app is updated. This avoids surprises. Once done, open the Instagram camera. Either tap the camera icon or swipe right from your feed and choose photo mode. Make sure your phone is steady and decide portrait or landscape orientation now. It affects framing. You also want to enable Do Not Disturb so notifications don't interrupt. Finally, select the rear or front camera, depending on whether you need a selfie or scene shot, before moving to hands-free controls. Now you find and activate Instagram's hands-free option. Swipe the mode selector until you see hands-free or use timer and pick 0 seconds if available. Then dial in composition, pinch to zoom, tap to set focus, and slide exposure for correct brightness, because hands-free means you can't tweak mid-shot. Once settings are locked, mount your phone on a tripod or stable surface and use a Bluetooth shutter, Apple Watch, or Instagram's built-in hands-free trigger. These steps secure framing and give you consistent results every take. Press the hands-free trigger and step into the frame. Instagram will capture automatically. Hold your pose until it's done. Once captured, review the photo and use edit tools for crop, filters, and brightness, or retake if framing or exposure is off. If you want the original file, save to camera roll. If hands-free doesn't work, make sure camera and microphone permissions are enabled, update the app, restart your device, and repair any Bluetooth remote. These fixes resolve most common failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.